Hello, friends. Welcome to Twinkleton, a magical twinkling town where every lamp, every fan, and every toy runs on electricity. Today, we are going to meet three very special friends who keep Twinkleton shining bright every single night. Their names are Volt, Amp, and Watt. First, meet Volt, the pusher of Twinkleton. Volt lives inside the big battery at the edge of town. His job is to push the electricity through the wires, just like you push a toy car to make it zoom. The harder Volt pushes, the more light flows into Twinkleton. We measure Volt's push in Volt. That is where his name comes from.
I give electricity its energy to move. Without my push, Twinkleton stays dark forever.
Think of Volt like the top of a water slide. The bigger the hill, the faster the water rushes. Volt is that hill for Twinkleton's electricity. Next, say hello to Ampu, the runner of Twinkleton. Amp and his tiny electron friends run through the wires of Twinkleton like racers on a track. The more runners there are, the more current there is. We measure how many runners in amperes, or just amps.
I carry the energy from the battery to every corner of Twinkleton. The more of us running, the more things glow.
Imagine Twinkleton's wires as roads. A few runners, a small glow. Hundreds of runners, the whole town lights up like stars. And now, the strongest of all. What? The worker of Twinkleton. When Volt pushes and Amp runs, together they create what? What is the one who actually lights every lamp, spins every fan, and charges every toy in Twinkleton? We measure watts work in watts.
I am what happens when Volt and Amp join forces. More teamwork, more work from me.
Here is the magic formula of Twinkleton. Are you ready? Watt equals volt times amp. Power equals voltage times current. If Volt pushes with 2 and Amp runs with 3, Watt does 6 units of work. Easy peasy. One stormy night, a big dark cloud covered all of Twinkleton. The power went out. Every lamp went dark. Every fan stopped. Every toy froze. The children of Twinkleton were scared and sad.
But then, Volt stepped up. I will push harder than ever, said Volt, charging the battery with every bit of energy he had.
And I will run faster than the wind, cried Amp, sending hundreds of electron friends racing through every wire in Twinkleton.
And I, Watt, will make sure every lamp, every fan, and every toy in Twinkleton gets exactly what it needs, roared Watt.
And just like that, one by one, the lamps of Twinkleton flickered back to life. The fan started spinning, the toys started moving, and the children of Twinkleton cheered so loudly the stars could hear them.
Twinkleton shines again!
So what did we learn today in Twinkleton? Let us remember together. Volt is the pusher. He gives electricity, the energy to move. Measured in volts, woof. AMP is the runner. He is the flow of electricity through Twinkleton's wires. Measured in amps, A. What is the worker? He is what gets done when Volt and Amp team up. Measured in watts, watts. And the magic formula, Watt equals volt times AMP. Power equals voltage times current. Now, every time you switch on a light, or charge your tablet, or spin a fan, remember Volt, Amp, and Watt working hard together behind the scenes in their own little Twinkleton. If you like this adventure, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a story. See you next time. Bye-bye from Twinkleton. Dear kids, share your feedback. Share, like, and subscribe the channel. Happy learning!